20th Century Fox Bloopers 82. Cut. Why does it say Fox Searchlight Pictures? Because I love Fox Searchlight Pictures, because just look at that. Well, too bad. Oh man. I know. Cut. Why is the 20th Century Fox logo with the chipmunks in it? Because I love Alvin and the Chipmunks.
That's what I call it.
Why does it say 20th Century Disney? Because I love Disney movies. Ha 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 ha. No, it is not supposed to say 20th Century Disney. It is supposed to say 20th Century Fox. Why does it say 20th Century Fox Records? Because I could raise a record on that logo. I don't get it. Ha, very funny, but you really crossed the line. Why did the 20th Century Fox logo glitch and then just randomly change? Because I was going to trick you into getting it right. Pranked ya. This is your last chance. Oh, come on. We literally just started. It doesn't matter. Action! Thank you so much. You're welcome. Now, get out of here, please. Fine.